Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a JDK is installed. Check Java version so you know which runtime you have. Once done, set path to the JDK/bin folder or call javac with its full path. Next, create a simple Hello World Java file with a public class and main method, save it in a working folder. Then compile with javac Hello World Java. This produces Hello World class. Make sure no typos exist in the class name, because compile errors block the next steps. You now handle class paths and execution details. Run a compiled class using Java class name, do not include class. If your code depends on jars, use java cp lib/*. Main class or set class path, this tells the JVM where to find classes. For projects, compile with javac dout src/*. Java to place class files into an output folder. This preserves package structure. Once compiled, you can inspect bytecode with javapp and run unit tests or main methods directly to validate behavior. You finish by packaging and validating execution. Build an executable jar with jar cfe app, jar main class cout, then run it using java jar app. Jar, adjust JVM memory via XMX and XMS if you hit OOM errors. For multiple JDKs, switch path entries or use a version manager like SDKman so Java version reflects the active JDK. If things go wrong, a key tip: confirm the class/package names match, check class path, and use javac verbose to see file resolution. Errors often stem from mismatched paths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.